Today we are going to start our discussion about the social life in the Indus Valley civilization. Uh, Whatever archaeological remains we have got from excavations of the different Harappan sites, we get a lot of informations from which we can weave the history of the social life of the people in the Harappan society. This can be understood. Our discussion about the social life of the Indus Valley people could be understood better if we discuss it under different headings, like the status of women in the society, means of amusement used by the people, besides existence of social and economic differences in the society, also the food, the type of food that the people used to use, besides the customs and the costumes that were prevalent among the Indus Valley people. Well, in the Indus Valley civilization, from whatever we have got evidences, we can conclude that women enjoyed a high status in the society. They used to get much respect in the family and the society. There was nothing like Parda system. Several figures and figurines found in the excavations of the different Harappan sites suggest that the Harappan women were respected and they were not uh, only required to do the household work, but they were also worshipped as mother goddess. So the condition of women in the Harappan society was much better than what we saw in the Indian society during the medieval times. Besides, for a social life, it is necessary that there should be proper means of amusement and entertainment. So we find from the excavations that entertainment and amusement had an important place in the life of the Indus Valley people. However, it appears that they were more fond of indoor means of entertainment. Besides, they had a great liking for dancing. We have got images like the image of the dancing girl, and that tells us that this was an important means of entertainment for the Indus Valley people. They played different types of games, in which one of the game is similar to the modern game of chess. Besides hunting, fishing, animal fighting, bird rearing, these were other means of entertainment that was pursued by the Indus Valley people. Children used to play with different type of toys, basically mud toys like birds made of mud, wheeled sparrows, bullock carts, whistles also, and figures of men and women. In the Indus Valley civilization, scholars believe that the Harappan society was basically divided into three sections. That is the elite class, the middle class, and the economically weaker section of the society. There was existence of social and economic differences in the society. And this difference was basically on economic lines. The lower part of the Harappan cities were mainly occupied by the economically weaker people. Archaeologists, in order to find out the social and economic differences existing amongst the Indus Valley people, build their opinion by trying to get information from burials also, the way the dead were buried, and also by looking for luxuries in excavations. It is on this basis of the evidences that the archaeologists conclude that there were differences in the Harappan society, which was mainly based on the economic factors. Besides, the type of food that was consumed, that also speaks about the differences that existed in the society. But overall, the Harappans used different type of grains or plants as food. The Harappan people were both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Their food included wheat, barley, rice, millets, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk, etc. They probably used honey also to sweeten their food. We have got in excavations we have got seeds of date also, which appears to be an important item of food for the Harappan people because these have been found in different Harappan sites. Harappans used many different types of spices also to make their food palatable. Milk and curd was another part of their food. Harappans ate meat of various animals, which is evidenced by the fact that we get different bones of different types of animals, uh, such as cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig, uh, from the different Harappan sites. These were domesticated. Besides eating of meat, they also used to eat fish and eggs. Bones of fish and fowl have been found from various Harappan sites.